Hello, this is Chris with Custom Creative Carvings. Welcome to my shop. Here today to try something completely different. As you can see, I've got a mug chucked up in the lathe. Not something I normally do. It's a steel powder coated or embossed somehow tumbler. What I've got is I just got my Widgetworks diamond drag bit engraving bit for my CNC. I've replaced the bit with a 90-degree V-bit, and so I'm going to give this thing a go and see how this turns out. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for my very first attempt at a diamond drag bit, and I don't know why, but I thought I would go extra crazy and try and do it on the rotary. So let's buckle up and see how this thing turns out. So we've got the spindle off, so we're not spinning. Let's see if we can get a little more light in there. See exactly what's going on. So for this chuck faceplate, I actually picked up a bowl holding plate that probably wouldn't be great for holding this, except I've got that cone on the other side, so holds rather well. Let's clear that spindle out of the way. Oh yeah, that is sharp. Today's production was brought to you by the letter C, or Custom Creative Carvings. Think I might really enjoy this diamond drag bit. I don't know if we can get in there close and still get a focus on that, but that is just sharp. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.